add snow to your website like this. It's only on your homepage. But if you are looking to make snow on your website to feel festive this winter, what you're going to do, I have the article from BoldTrail, and it gives you exact directions on everything you need to do. So here is the code it wants us to paste inside of our custom header on the Web and IDX. So when you come over to your dashboard, you're going to click Web and IDX. Now, if you are a team leader or admin, you want to make sure you select the correct website because you will have multiples. This cannot be set up on the brokerage for agents to inherit from what their article said. I haven't tried it though, but I am just doing this on my website. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way down. We're going to see a bunch of spots to be able to do custom header, custom body, custom footer. Now you can see I already have different elements inside of here. You can add multiple code if you're looking to do anything. So as you can see here, all I did is here's where my code was. It ended. I just clicked enter to start a new line and I pasted their code. Then you're going to go ahead and save, and that's all you have to do to get your snow onto your website. Now, what I also did is created my own, I changed the video that I had there. So this is obviously this website's, and depending on your template, you can see it's kind of like, oh, my video is a little cut off. So I should probably use videos that have everything more centered. But BoldTrail in the article in my blog, they have a bunch of different videos that you can use for your header, or watch my video on how I created my own using Canva. So if you wanted to change using one of these, you can always click on the link. It's going to open up YouTube so you can see the video. What you're going to do, and it shows right here, here's the video ID. That's what BoldTrail wants. And you can see it's everything after that YouTube URL. So it's just everything right there. So they even give you that. What you would do right here is you're going to copy that, go back to your Web and IDX. I cheat and I come right over to template because that's giving me my YouTube video ID. This is where you need to put it. So you'll just basically copy and paste that code, click save, and it's going to change. I'll come over to my website. I think I use some gingerbread thing, and refresh your site. Whether you have an image, the video will always override any custom graphics that you may have. So this is the video that I just used. I have my own, so I will add mine there. But that is all you need to do. You don't need to mess with anything else. Just go right over to your Web and IDX. You're going to come down to your custom header where you can add in different code. And we're going to add that in. I think I already went past it. Where to go? Where to go? In here somewhere is your custom code. Nope, I already went all the way down to the bottom. I think because I started over there again. So you have your custom code in your header and your video YouTube ID. So that's all you need to do is just add in under the custom header code. You're going to add this little script in there and then change your video ID to one of the videos you want. Check it out on your website. Being festive. Hope that helps. Thanks, guys.